From vision to reality, the story of LSK.
In 2019, a vision was born by Mr. Kevin Infant Raj Lawrence, founder. That's how the journey of L&S Global began. From day one, we dedicated ourselves to mastering every detail, providing expert machine service to keep performance at its peak, handling machine shifting and installation with care and accuracy, and delivering retrofit solutions that gave old machines a brand new life. As we grew, we added advanced laser calibration and laser tracking, bringing world-class precision to every project. And to support our customers even further, we extended our expertise into subsidy assistance, helping industries move forward with confidence. From 2019 till today, L&S Global has been more than a service provider. We've been your trusted partner in every step of your machine journey. L&S Global, growing with technology, driven by trust. In 2021, a vision was born to bring world-class machine tools and precision engineering to Indian industries. That vision became LSK Machine Tools, a name built on innovation, trust, and customer success. With dedication and passion, LSK grew rapidly, and in 2021 achieved a major milestone, becoming the authorized distributor of Jaewoo machines in Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Today, LSK Machine Tools stands as a complete solution provider, offering machine sales, installation, retrofitting, laser calibration, and service support across India. Driven by technology, powered by expertise, and trusted by industries, LSK Machine Tools continues to move forward, shaping the future of precision manufacturing. In their journey of growth and innovation, LSK Machine Tools continues to move beyond boundaries. Recently, the LSK team visited China and Taiwan, exploring the latest in global manufacturing technology and building strong international partnerships. This visit marked a new milestone, as LSK Machine Tools proudly secured official distributorships for HBS, TY Group, and Daeyoung Tel, global leaders in advanced CNC solutions and automation. With these new collaborations, LSK Machine Tools strengthens its mission to bring cutting-edge global technology to Indian industries, ensuring performance, precision, and productivity like never before. At LSK Machine Tools, every partnership is built on trust, quality, and long-term commitment. Over the years, our dedication to precision and service excellence has earned the confidence of many leading OEMs and industries across India. Today, we are proud to be associated with prestigious names such as LMW, Super Sales, LGB, Shanthi Gears, Blend, Steelman, Aerospace Industries, Lucas TVS, SFL, and many more. Each collaboration reflects our promise to deliver world-class machines, reliable performance, and unmatched service support. These valued customers inspire us every day to innovate, evolve, and set new benchmarks in the world of precision machining.
Behind every successful installation and every machine we deliver, there's a story of trust, performance, and partnership.
LSK Machine Tools Jaewoo run பண்ணி பார்த்ததுல மிஷினிஸ்ட் உண்டு. அதில் நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் காலேஜ் ரெஃபர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறேன்.
டைம்ல இருந்து சர்வீஸ் இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் ஆன் டைம் எனக்கு டெலிவரி பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க, இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. தென் அது போக பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஃபினான்ஸுமே ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் எல்எஸ்கே தான் சப்போர்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. ஜஸ்ட் என்னோட டாக்குமெண்ட் மட்டும் தான் நான் எல்எஸ்கே சப்மிட் பண்ணியிருந்தேன். ப்ராசஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே எண்ட் டு எண்ட் அவங்க கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணி சைனிங் அத்தாரிட்டியோட மட்டும் தான் என்கிட்ட வந்தாங்க. இது எல்லாமே எண்ட் வர அவங்க ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் எல்எஸ்கேவே அவங்க ரெஸ்பான்ஸ் எடுத்து ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் எல்லாமே அவங்களே பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க.
நீ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற விரும்புறீங்க அப்படின்னால நான் சஜஸ்ட் பண்றது எல்எஸ்கே டீம்ஸ் தான். ஏன்னா நீங்க ஜஸ்ட் ஒரு பிஓ மட்டும் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா போதும். லோன்ல இருந்து மிஷின் டிரான்ஸ்போர்ட் பிளஸ் இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் எல்லாமே அவங்களே பண்ணி கொடுத்துறாங்க. அதே மாதிரி சப்சிடியும் அவங்களே அப்ளை பண்ணி கொடுத்துறாங்க.
இப்போ எல்லாம் எனக்கு டைமும் நிறைய சப்போர்ட் இருக்கு. அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் அந்த மெஷினை பார்த்து கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிட்டு இலக்கு சைடு ஃபினான்ஷியலாக சப்போர்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அது மெஷின் இன்ஸ்டாலேஷன் வரைக்கும் எல்லா சப்போர்ட்டும் தான் கிடைச்சு. We strongly recommend Jaewoo and LSK Machine Tools.
Strong recommend பண்றது LSK team, Jaewoo team. Strong recommend to Jaewoo and LSK.
As LSK Machine Tools looks ahead to 2026, we're ready to take our next big step, expanding into the Middle East. With new operations planned in Dubai and Saudi Arabia, we aim to bring world-class CNC technology, service excellence, and innovation beyond India's borders.
LSK Machine Tools proudly welcomed Honorable MSME Minister Thiru. TM Anbarasan and additional Chief Secretary and Industries Commissioner to our facility, a moment of pride and recognition for our contribution to industry and innovation. On this occasion, LSK signed an MOU with the Tamil Nadu MSME Department and Rathanam College, aiming to bridge industry and education and empower young engineers with real-time CNC learning and skill development.
As part of his commitment to MSME development, our founder, Mr. Kevin, has been elected as a Tamil Nadu MSME Council member, helping make government schemes more beneficial and accessible to every MSME industrialist. During the tough days of the corona pandemic, LSK Machine Tools came forward to support the community by donating oxygen masks to government hospitals. We continue our CSR journey through health camps, education support, and tree plantation drives, proving that LSK stands not only for machines, but for people and progress.
Our founder, Mr. Kevin, is not only a leader at LSK Machine Tools, but also a mentor to college students, sharing his knowledge, guiding young minds, and inspiring the next generation of engineers and innovators. BNI members visited LSK Machine Tools. They explored our advanced Jaewoo CNC and VMC machines and experienced innovation in action. Thank you, BNI, for your visit and support. Together, we grow stronger.